Welcome to This Week in AI. Artificial intelligence continued its rapid evolution this week, with enterprise AI agents, observability, creative AI, and website automation dominating the headlines. Microsoft expanded its vision for autonomous cybersecurity and productivity. Google continued refining its creative AI ecosystem, and several new research projects hinted at where 3D, simulation, and video generation may be heading next. Although there were fewer major model launches than in previous weeks, there was significant progress in how AI systems are monitored, deployed, and integrated into everyday workflows. First, let's talk about agentic AI. Enterprise AI agents continue to mature beyond simple chatbots into systems capable of performing autonomous workflows. The biggest announcement came from Microsoft, which introduced Project Perception into public preview. The platform coordinates specialized red, blue, and green cybersecurity agents. Rather than replacing security professionals, Microsoft is positioning these agents as collaborative assistants capable of working together across complex enterprise environments. Another significant development came from Alibaba Cloud, which rebranded LLM application monitoring as AI Agent Observability. The expanded platform now monitors traces, tool execution, and operational telemetry. This reflects a growing industry focus on managing AI agents in production environments rather than simply deploying them. Moving on to AI productivity and enterprise. Microsoft also unveiled its vision for a unified Copilot super app. Instead of separate AI experiences, Microsoft is bringing together chat, cowork, autopilots, and code into a single application intended to become the central AI workspace. Meanwhile, Notion introduced a useful automation enhancement. Once AI meeting notes are completed, they can now automatically trigger custom agents to continue downstream workflows. This reduces manual intervention and moves closer to fully automated business processes. Next, we look at AI image generation. Google briefly launched Nano Banana 2 image generation inside Google Earth on July 30th. The feature allowed users to generate imagery directly within geographic environments, demonstrating an interesting intersection between generative AI and mapping technology. However, the rollout was short-lived. Within a day, Google temporarily withdrew the feature while additional safety guardrails and content protections are developed. Although brief, the experiment demonstrates Google's continuing exploration of embedding generative AI into everyday consumer applications. Now, an update on AI music. Google also introduced Lyria 3.5 within Flow Music. The latest version improves musical composition, lyric generation, and vocal quality while offering more natural pronunciation and expanded creative controls. These refinements continue Google's investment in creator-focused generative media. Coming up, AI presentation tools. Presentation software continues becoming increasingly autonomous. Gemini in Google Slides can now generate complete editable presentations directly from prompts. Instead of generating isolated slides, Gemini now creates entire presentation decks that remain fully editable, significantly reducing presentation preparation time. Exploring the latest in AI website builders. Two major updates occurred this week. Framer expanded its AI agents with broader website editing capabilities and reduced credit consumption. Webflow released MCP 2.0, substantially expanding AI-driven website development, including component generation, design token management, and code operations. This continues the industry's shift toward AI-assisted professional web development. Next, we cover AI 3D and research. Several promising research projects emerged this week, including Umai 3D, Steer, Genie Simpana World, and Sana Video 2.0. These systems demonstrate continued advances in 3D scene generation, simulation, and video synthesis, and are worth watching as they move toward commercial availability. And now, the latest AI leaderboards. Competitive benchmarking also expanded. Arena introduced the new Code Arena Full Stack Leaderboard while extending coverage for image editing and web development. Leaderboards continue to evolve from simple language model rankings toward measuring complete end-to-end AI workflows. Coming soon and beta watch. Several technologies remain in preview or early development, including Microsoft Project Perception, the Copilot Super App, and AI agent observability platforms. Watch for the return of Google Nano Banana 2, Webflow MCP expansion, and research systems like Yumi 3D and Sana Video 2.0 as they progress toward broader availability. These projects could become some of the most impactful AI releases of the second half of 2026. Thanks for watching.